When will Moderna release its COVID-19 vaccine? A leading company in the COVID-19 vaccine race is unlikely to release a vaccine soon. Moderna needs to prove first that the vaccine works. At present, it seems the company can only support doses for clinical trials and emergency use authorization or EUA, while the mass distribution of millions of doses will have to wait. Even with an estimated date, the course may change in the coming months. According to The Hill, Moderna CEO Stéphane Bancel said the EUA application for a vaccine has been set. This application is for vulnerable patients and workers, though the earliest time of application is on November 25. That date pushed the timeline of vaccine distribution for the general public. As such, the company will not apply for full approval until then. If the vaccine safety and effectiveness are confirmed, Moderna will apply for formal approval by late March or early April. CBS News reported that the push in the timeline is due to data availability. Bancel expects that within October, data may provide substantial details about the vaccine. By November, the analysis may show if the vaccine works or not. But there is no assurance until the trial completes without a hitch. If a participant suffers from a serious adverse event, the trial may be paused and it can push the timeline further again. Robert Redfield, director of the US CDC, said, "This face mask is more guaranteed to protect me against COVID than when I take a COVID vaccine." Current vaccine candidates in phase 3 clinical trials cannot confer 100% protection against SARS-CoV-2. Also, the vaccines are highly dependent on the immune response of participants. If the vaccines fail to elicit an immune response, the recipient will not develop neutralizing antibodies to combat the virus. It means a COVID-19 vaccine will not protect a person with zero immune response. Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine is called mRNA-1273, formally unveiled February 7. The first batch of the vaccine has been shipped to NIH for phase 1 trial on February 24. On April 27, the company submitted investigational new drug to the US FDA for phase 2 trial. In less than a month, the FDA granted fast track on the experimental vaccine. In July, Moderna completed the enrollment of phase 2 participants, published the interim data of the NIH-led study, and coordinated the phase 3 trial. The earliest possible public release of Moderna vaccine is in spring 2021.